Installation of lock for Fusion profile for doors in one plane. The kit includes a face piece and a back part of the lock with a plug, staves for fixing the striking plate, 2 keys, a lock ring and a handle for the back panel, a middle part and a striking plate of the lock. Install the face piece of the lock in A profile and install the striking plate in B profile. Mark A profile as in the manual. Make holes in A profile. Mark B profile as in the manual. Make holes in B profile. Pre-assemble the lock and turn the key. If the lock doesn't operate, turn the inner part of the lock at 180 degrees and check the operation again. The factory state suggests the lock to be left-hand operated. To make it right-hand, turn the lock cylinder at 180 degrees. To install the lock with a handle, take away the plug and install the handle using the lock ring. Install the lock in A profile, inserting the middle part first. Fix the lock with the screws from the kit. Install the striking plate in B profile. Fix the striking plate with the staves, drilling holes in the profile first. Install the doors and adjust the height. Check the operation of the lock. If you don't need a handle, shorten the turning lobe up to the given mark. After that, install the lock in A profile, pre-assembling the lock first.